house tour you're watching right now was never filmed. No camera, no videographer, no editing. It never happened in real life. I just built a new super AI agent inside HighLevel, and I gave it 3 things: a real estate listing link, a folder of photos, and 1 picture of a host. And it went out, researched the listing, pulled the real facts off the page, planned a 15-second tour shot by shot, and built me a storyboard to approve. Then it generated this full AI video of the host walking through the house, wrote the caption, and scheduled it to Instagram as a reel. 2 prompts, 2 finished videos, and about $3 in AI credits. And that's literally it. And take a quick look at these other AI tour videos. My super agent's been cranking these out for all kinds of properties. In my last 2 videos, I built one for single images and one for carousels. Today, it's AI video because this is the one real estate agents would love to pay for. And if you want this exact agent, I'll just give it to you for free when you use my link in the description. But more on that later. Here's why I'm the one telling you this. I've been running my own social media marketing agency since 2011, and it still runs today. And I'd rather prove it than say it. So here's my payment processor, refresh live on screen. We generated a little over $5 million from clients in the last 12 months. And we have roughly 350 active clients paying us about $1,000 a month each. I put this on screen every single video because the internet is full of people teaching business who can't show you one real number. All right, so before I build anything, let me show you where this ends up. Chapter 1, what a super AI agent is and what I built. This is a real listing in Lithia Springs, Georgia, listed at $440,490. And this is the AI tour video my agent made for it. The host walks up to the front door, waves you in, and the camera follows him through the whole house. The living room, the kitchen, the primary bedroom, the bathroom, and it ends with him doing a call me gesture with comment agent on the screen. It actually made 2 versions, a golden hour one and a bright daytime one. And both of them are sitting in my social planner scheduled as Instagram reels with the captions already written. And stick around because there's one setting inside this agent that decides whether you make money on this or not. I'll show you exactly what it is. 2 prompts, 2 videos. Now let me show you how to build it. So if you're new here, a quick 30 seconds on what a super AI agent even is. A normal AI chatbot answers you. That's it. But a super AI agent goes and actually does the work. You give it 1 prompt and it can search the web, read a listing, call other AI tools, check its own work, and keep going until the job is actually finished. They live inside HighLevel, which is the platform I run my whole agency on. And today's build is a different animal from my last 2 because video is where real estate lives. All right, so let's go turn it on. Super agents are still in beta, so you flip them on yourself. You go into settings, then labs, search for super, and toggle on Agent Studio. Super agent. Then head over to AI agents and click Agent Studio. You'll see 2 tabs. Flow agents are the older step-by-step ones. Super agents are the new prompt-based ones, and that's what we want. So I hit create agent and I'm building my own from scratch. Now here's where the strategy starts. Chapter 2, how I built a super agent for AI videos. So I paste in 1 long prompt, and let me read you the top of it. It says build an agent named AI Tour Video Director. It researches listing and asset sources, builds an approval-ready 15-second vertical tour storyboard, and then generates the video through OpenArt after explicit approval. Now, I want to point out 3 things buried in this prompt because this is where most people are going to mess this up. First, the approval gate. The agent isn't allowed to generate 1 second of video until I approve a storyboard. Video credits cost a lot more than image credit, so I never let it spend real money before I've seen the plan. Second, the reference rule. It has to collect at least 9 real images of the property before it plans anything. That's what keeps the video looking like the actual house instead of some AI dream house. Third, the settings lock. I hard-coded the video settings right into the agent. CDance 2.0, vertical 9:16, 15 seconds, and 480p resolution. And I know what you're thinking, 480p sounds low. That's on purpose, and it's the setting I told you about. It's gonna save you a ton of money, and I'll show you the exact math in a few minutes. Oh, and one more thing. I put a lot of time and testing into this prompt to get this agent working right, so you don't have to. And if you wanna copy this exact agent and install it for your own business, you can get it for free with the link in the description. But more on that later. And I didn't build this just for houses. The prompt covers apartments, homes, jets, venues, hotels, and showrooms too. Remember that for later. And watch the right side of the screen while all this happens. It's writing the agent name, the description, the trigger, and the full set of instructions all by itself. My favorite line it wrote is, never say the video is complete until the tool reports success. It gave itself a no lying rule. Then I connect OpenArt. There's a whole list of MCPs you can plug in right here. I pick OpenArt MCP, authorize my account, and it's connected. 18 tools just like that. That's the app that actually makes the videos. And by the way, OpenArt is really cheap, way cheaper than you'd guess for AI video. And I've even got a special discount code for you. I'll break all of that down in a few minutes. Web search on, image generation off, and I hit publish. So now let's point this thing at a real listing. Chapter 3, the real estate test. The listing is 3500 Camille Road in Lithia Springs, Georgia. It's a real house on Georgia MLS, 2 stories, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2,890 square feet, listed at $440,490. And here's everything I gave the agent: the listing link, a drive folder with 9 photos of the home, and 1 photo of our host, Jay, a real agent I know. That's it. No script, no shot list, no instructions. Now watch what it does. It reads the listing and starts pulling real facts: the price, the bedroom count, the slate fireplace, the granite countertops, the corner pantry, straight off the listing page. And then it catches something I never told it. The listing says the interior photos are from a model home with the same floor plan, not the actual house. And the agent flags that on its own, right in its report. It's reading the fine print. Then it grades every single image before it uses one. It builds a ledger. 12 images found, 11 validated. And look at this line: rejected the Georgia MLS page links because those are web pages, not image files. It's throwing out anything that would break the video. And then it plans the tour like a director. 5 beats, time to the 10th of a second, front door at 0 seconds, through the foyer into the great room, the kitchen at 4.5 seconds with a text overlay for the beds, baths, and price, then the primary suite, then the finale. Then it hands me 3 concept boards and stops: golden hour, bright midday, and twilight. 10 frames each so I can see the whole video before it exists. That's the approval gate from the prompt doing its job. It can't touch my video credits until I say go. Now here's where it gets fun. Chapter 4, 1 revision and it goes to work. I type 1 message back: I approve of concept A and concept B. Let's change the end scene to have the host make a call me gesture with text on the screen that says comment agent. Move forward with generating the videos and scheduling them to the social planner and the connected Instagram account. Read that back for a second. I approve 2 versions, change the ending, and ask for videos, captions, and scheduling, all in 1 message. And it just handles it. It fires 2 video generations at once and checks on both of them at the same time. And here's the cool part. I flip over to my OpenArt account and I can watch them generating live. 2 tiles, side by side, timers running. My agent is over there operating a whole other platform while I just sit and watch. About 8 minutes later, done. Both videos complete. 15 seconds each, vertical with audio, captions written. And both are in my social planner as Instagram Reels with comment agent, and will reach out right in the caption. It even wrote the hashtags: Lithia Springs, new construction, Atlanta real estate. I didn't touch any of it. Now, before we watch these things, let's talk about what all of this actually cost me. Chapter 5. The real numbers, and this is where that 480p setting pays off. Every AI video tool charges by credits, and video credits are not image credits. So here's OpenArt's actual price ladder for a 15-second vertical video on Cdance 2.0. At 480p is 525 credits. At 720p is 1,200. At 1080p is 3,000, and at 4K is 6,000 credits. So the exact same video costs more than 11 times more at 4K than at 480p. That's why I locked my agent at 480p. It's not because I want low quality videos, it's because of this button. OpenArt has an upscale feature. You take your finished 480p video, hit upscale, and bumping it up to 1080p costs 32 credits. 32. And I can prove it. Watch my credit balance drop by exactly 32 when I run it. So do the math with me. Generate at 480p for 525 credits, then upscale to 1080p for 32. That's 557 credits for a full HD video. Generating it at 1080p directly costs 3,000. Same finished resolution, more than 5 times cheaper. That 1 setting inside the agent is the difference between fat margins and no margins. And the upscale cleans up the soft spots you get on the fast camera, moves too. You'll see exactly what I mean in a minute. So it's quality and savings in the same move. So here's what a client actually costs you. A finished video runs about 600 credits, counting the storyboard, the generation, and the upscale. On OpenArt's Pro plan, which is $56 a month for 24,000 credits, that's about $1.40 per finished video. Say a client gets 3 videos a week. That's about 12 videos a month, around 7,200 credits. So one client costs you roughly $17 a month in credits, and one Pro plan covers 3 clients. So by the way, if you want to run this exact setup yourself, there's 2 steps and they go in this order. Step 1 is HighLevel. That's the platform this agent lives inside of, the same platform I run my whole agency and all my clients on, and it's $97 a month. You can start it free with the first link in my description. And here's how you get the agent itself. When you sign up with my link, you get access to my community automatically. This AI Tour video director is already sitting in there, built, and you just load it into your account. The single image agent and the carousel agent from my last videos are in there too. Plus over 100 video lessons, my whole prompt library, and live Q&A calls, all free with the sign up. Step 2 is OpenArt. That's what actually generates the videos, so you need it for any of this to run. That's the second link in my description. And use my code Sean at checkout and you'll get 15% off the Pro plan. But I've only got 50 of these codes, so it's first come, first served. All right, now let's actually watch these things. Chapter 6, the work itself. Here's the golden hour version. Jay walks up to the front door, waves you in, and pushes inside. Then the camera glides through the house, the living room with the fireplace, the kitchen, up to the primary bedroom, the closet, the bathroom. And it lands on Jay with the call me gesture and comment agent on screen. And here's the daytime version of the same tour. Same house, same route, whole different feel. Now think about what a real estate agent pays for this today. A videographer, a few $100s per listing, and a week of waiting. This took 2 prompts. And I'll be straight with you, it's not perfect. A couple of the fast camera moves get soft, and if you freeze frame, you can catch little AI artifacts. That's exactly what the upscale I just showed you cleans up, and it's why I never skip it. But here's the thing. This fast AI tour style is exactly what's blowing up on Reels right now. It doesn't need to be a cinema film. It needs to stop the scroll, show the house, and tell people to comment. And over in the social planner, both versions are sitting on the calendar. Every post has the video attached, a date and a time, and it's set as a reel that also shows on the feed. Your client gets an approval link so they see every single video before it goes anywhere near their page. And you're running Instagram and Facebook from one calendar for every client you have. 2 prompts, 2 videos on the calendar. All right, now let's turn this into an offer. This one's priced higher than my image offers, and it should be. The AI tools cost more, video is worth more, and the client's a little more involved because they're approving storyboards and requesting tweaks. So we're rolling this out at $750 a month for 2 to 3 AI tour videos a week, posted and scheduled for them. Reels for Instagram and Facebook, captions, hashtags, everything handled. And even the approvals run through email and support tickets, no one-on-one meetings, so it scales. Your delivery cost is about $17 a month in credits, plus an hour or 2 of your time a week per client, reviewing storyboards and watching every video before it ships. 10 clients at $750 is $7,500 a month. 14 puts you past $10,000 a month. And it's all the same one agent, just pointed at different businesses. Now let me show you why real estate is the niche for this. There are about 1.4 million realtors in the United States and somewhere between 2 and 3 million licensed agents, plus over 140,000 brokerages. And almost every one of them hears the same advice every single day. Post more video, but they're stuck. They either pay a videographer or they film it on a phone or they just don't post at all. You're showing up with scroll-stopping tour videos done for them at $750 a month, and it doesn't stop at houses. Remember, the agent's prompt already covers apartments, jets, venues, hotels, and showrooms. So think apartment locators, yacht brokers, private jet brokers, RV dealers, boat dealers. That's thousands more businesses whose whole job is showing people around something expensive. Anything that gets toured, this agent can tour it. One last thing, and it matters. These videos get your client attention. But attention isn't the whole system. Remember, both of my videos end with comment agent. So the full build is the video pulls the comment, an automation replies and sends the DM. A conversation AI agent answers their questions. A lead magnet built in AI Studio captures their info, and a calendar books the tour. That's how attention turns into real leads and booked appointments, and I've covered every piece of that stack on this channel. Now here's what's coming next, and I want you to see it before you go. I already pointed this same agent at an apartment locator here in Atlanta. No rebuilding, no new prompt, no new agent, just a website, and it came back with this. So in my next video, I'm taking this exact same agent and pointing it at 6 completely different businesses: an apartment locator, a yacht broker, a private jet broker, an RV dealer, and a couple more that have nothing to do with houses at all. Same agent, same 2 prompts every single time. So comment below and tell me which one you want to see first, and I'll make sure that one's in there, and I'll see you over there.